What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Alan C, and this is the Coleman Xtreme 5. What's this say? Keeps the ice 5 days. Alright, so we had a party at the park about 3 days ago. It's very hot out. It's been a hot week. Hitting the 90s, 95s, stuff like that. So we use this at our party. And lucky us, since we helped host it, we got to bring home a lot of the leftovers, which includes a lot of nice drinks. This had ice in it 3 days ago. And still lots of ice in here. Ice cold. The water's as cold as I can describe. Like, you would not want to sit in that, trust me. And these drinks are ice cold. This is 3 to 4 days later, and I'm very impressed. That's the Coleman Xtreme 5. Now, I'll show you what else is cool about this. If you're partying, it has 4 cup holders up top. It also makes a nice seat. I sit on there. And then I'm going to roll it out here so you can take a look at some of the features, such as the extendable handle and wheels. So we got some gnarly wheels on this thing and extendable handle. So you can just take it and go, no matter how heavy it is. You can just go. So that's a quick look at it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. And don't forget these heavy-duty side handles on here. So if you just want to pick it up like a He-Man or a Strongman, you can use those as well. Hope this video was helpful, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.